Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-T530DW driver download and install. So guys, open any browsers and Google search box to type like same, okay, and then first link supportbrother.com, this officially website, and brother.in, this is also. So click first one. Now different OS for available, the driver mobile, Linux, Mac, okay, and in the Windows 11, 10, 32, 64, and servers also there. Select the overall operating system and all other operating system driver install and driver download and installations process also same. Okay, this is full setup, easy setup. This is full setup with the software. So if you read software and driver both included, so this, otherwise only driver and scanner, okay, printer driver and scanner driver only. So click to download, scroll down, then you click to agree to download. So after that it started downloading in the download box, almost 50 MB. Then it is completed, single click. After it will extract to same download, otherwise not understood. So open this folder where it is downloaded, copy this file and come to desktop, okay, then double click. Now it is extract and generate this file GDI, okay, and then click to start, then type control panel, click hardware and sound, then device and printer, okay. After that again click on device and scanner, then add device. So when you click to add device, it will come our next 5-minute manual options, okay, and then click it. Now you have to connect to your printer to your laptop and desktop via USB cable. So other options also there, it's share to computer. If you know the IP address, so you can add here, okay, and Bluetooth network Discord printer, and this is a local printer. So select the local printer network and manual setting, then next, by default port 1, next, then click on have disk, then browse. So this is file which is extract earlier, open and select INF and then click to open, then click to OK, then next, okay, then select your printer T530, this one, and then next, and install printer, then next and finish. After that you can see it's this is printer. So after that restart your printer and your system and then please check.